I go shoot them now, them head, that's my define them a bitch. 300K for your casket, 25 for your boxer shot. Saturday are the best day if you kill them, cause that's about them style.
The man know how much for a boxer shot. The man know how much for your cuff. The man know I wish you the best day for killing you. Why you don't want this somebody like TeeJay? Eh? The up top boss. You lick your head? Run tune.
I'll get lazy like baby in a lapper.
Bow! Yang! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. We're back again with another reaction video for you all. Now today we have TeeJay guard ring. You understand me? You know the reaction yesterday, the two reaction videos I dropped yesterday, highly recommended by you all. Today, this one highly recommended by you all also. But you all know, I make my videos the day off. So you see them two videos I make yesterday. One of them make it them time before I go to work. The second one, I make it after my left work. You know me? Make them day off. But that's not even talk about that. What they have right now with TeeJay gathering, we'll see what I go on for that video. I want 1 million likes on that video. See, if you click on the video, please like the video. And that's me, that's how YouTube are going to recommend the video to more people. I never hear me say this yet, but I say it for the first time now. Watch at least one of the ads them. Support me by watching at least one. You don't have to watch one of them. Watch one to the extreme. You see me say, if I want it too long, watch the next one I go forward. Watch one of them. You got to say, this is what I go for TeeJay gathering. Run the video.
Get the picture for the target.
Yeah.
WhatsApp active, no make your name go on list. Dog them out, the teeth them garlic. Murder me know about me and only heart.
So right now, gathering. Me know why I say I pull it up. More hear I say good. Hold on. What you say now?
Get the picture for the target. WhatsApp active, no make your name go on list.
Ah, so you get the picture for the target. Say you know them assassin show there. The man say their picture say yo. And every day I'm going to go bomb done for me. See me, I say, see the gun here. Go and go deal with the crime. You see me? I aim this my daughter on the road. I aim beat up my son. See the picture there? Go on the road, they live around there, so you might dip on the ends right there, so run tune.
Dog them out, the teeth them garlic. Murder me know about me and only artist, the German.
The man say, yo, him know about murder. He man not only artist. You know, so them, some artists in the dog. All them guys, they just come up with the music business and they just say some right sounds reach in a level. You see me? They come from struggles. Them just born with little money and them just go say boom and invest the money in themselves. Them not go through the whole struggle with all them artists that go through already. You see me? I say, run tune.
For the young groove vanish. Me not feel like me if you put your dopey on this. Shell down your ends, jump in a car quick.
Like it's a prayer, it's like it's a badness prayer. My boy I sing about in a dog. You see me? I say, man, I feel like me if put your dopey on this dog. For him 45. You see me? I don't know if it's a gun tune down. I think of some over thing down. It's a gathering down. I don't know if it's a gun tune down. Yeah, I'm not lying that. From what they want some gun tune for Japan that. I don't even know that. But run tune here, man.
Boy as hostage. Watch a deck clock 45 full up of all of tips. My take a beat so like a girl gonna spit. Like them never.
Me tell you this. I don't know one thing about gun because I'm not a gunman. I don't know nothing about Mac 45. I don't know nothing. I only know about some little gun and play in a Fortnite or in a PUBG. You hear? I don't know nothing about gun. But I run tune see me. I don't know how to react to it, so I'm going to react to it. Run tune.
Go to school, go do no biology. When them shot that touch it, I mention.
That's no biology. Most of the punchline lyrics them. That's you know, yeah, me educated them way there. So me is the lyrics I want what I'm saying. So yeah, so biology, you understand me? Other than that, I don't know nothing about gun.
My take a beat so like a girl gonna spit. Like them never go to school, go do no biology. When them shot that touch it, I mention. Oh, are you a flip?
Bucklet. Biology and chemistry. Alright, good. You understand me? Me understand them something there. But wait, they're gonna fire like when I get a spit. Alright, me get that part there too. But me tell you already, I'm not a review person. I'm a reaction person. So you know what I'm gonna do that instead of the song? I react to the video. Run tune.
Boy, you tell me about them psychopathic and them not show people on but no house and like no matches. They better try to go over road, but them a buy no crutches come.
So say all the man will be at the stage here. When you better down go road, go buy no pumps. Because I reach you, I find you, and I bomb you done. You know me I say? talk about when the head sick and this and don't this TeeJay and walk a roll and no member say this TeeJay. That to make sure that I remind you know. You know me I say? So member say this you know. Say if I go back road, you see if I go rip on road. If you go to Portmore, make sure you don't walk alone. But you buy no catches. Come on, find you.
And I go shoot them now, they made that smart, find them a bit. 300k for your casket, 25 for your boxer shot. Saturday are the best day if you kill them, cause that's about them style.
The man know how much for a boxer shot. The man know how much for your cuff. The man know I wish you the best day for killing you. Why you don't want this somebody like TeeJay? Eh? The up top boss. You lick your head. Run tune.
I'll get lazy like baby in a lapper rock. Mach 90 run over them face like Amarok. Digital have a gun with all but an analog. Press it and watch it.
Mach 90 run over your face like a Amara. I want big car name so though. Amara, I remember. I want car though. I want car. You say you're bad man. You say you're bad but I don't know my chap already. The gun tune them dog. You know if I go no who fast like them really afraid or something I whistle them. And I watch it with them. Family. Bumbo Clyde, if you want me run. Japan and Townley song. I run till my fool. Run tune.
I'm on a blood run like a sawasap. Just one gear one of that. Rifle make an pop. Little deal one the club me run up and blast it. The bull pop rifle the rig and a me body properly.
Bumbo Clyde. Hey, you know so from TeeJay do the collaboration there with Addy. From do the collaboration up top gas and from do the collaboration there brother. You like him flow. Him flow start. I spit B lyrics start. I go for the fast slow that. You know like a rapping scene basically. You understand me? Him start go hard now. He may just relax on the beat again. You see me? Like that, bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man. Right now the man spit B lyrics. After I do the collaboration, I realize it. Run show though.
Clap it, them should be more for naturally. The warrior sweet, I may never other crew. No fight like Apache. Shoot boy, make them mother see.
Hold on there. Why am I war? Hold on there. How did this him? I'll say man say I'll climb about in a music video. Hold on there. I want to go on. Me like Clash, you know. I'm the Clash hype man, you know. You understand me? So right now, me have to say, hold on there. Because I know some of the Clash hype man already, you know, people. The man say that warrior sweet, you know that. Some boy know, hold on. I must yourself you a warrior, you know that. Because right now, let's say, well, man, run from Clash, you know that. TeeJay, man, yourself you a warrior, you know that. Because you can't talk about warrior sweet. And the Clash hype man there, so that. Mine, run tune.
Every day I'm me a knuckle it. Body shut up and chop up me dash them with a overland. Them funeral fi big just like the crowd that sting. Boy think him did a go sick and dead from the corona thing.
John no star. Yeah, the man that goes with the corona thing. Hey, me nah, since the corona something me on a dog. Every single song we dropping, if a man not say COVID, COVID-19, COVID badness, corona badness, Corolla. Yo, if I want to say to them song dog something wrong. Every single song we drop, brother. But I run through now. We kind of feel that song differently. You understand? But I run through. Yes, TeeJay.
Stand up if you know I live.
Yeah.
We murder boy, we join lots of me don't know where them a go with gathering.
Oh, Bumbo Club. Me get it now. The man say murder boy. We in a lodge. They keep them over a gathering. So hold on the people. Viewers and subscribers are the people who tell them to react to that song here now. Yeah, try to tell which artists are we gathering. Because I never know about them something here now. I know say Alkaline this me know. You did me say. So me would like to know no. Alkaline have a gathering? Me don't know. That's what I ask. I tell you already for the day ones. So I'm asking something I really don't know already, you know. You see me? So I want to go on the dance hall. Me don't know about. No man say kill people when I lodge. And people we are gathering. Boy not gathering. No you want to go on.
When you gun squeak, wrap it up in something make it beat. Them pussy they only run big. Up top camp. Boy I play PUBG, feel him a killer now.
Bumbo Clark. The man does this the whole world a while ago. The welcome bubble them get this a while ago. Boy I play PUBG, feel him a criminal. You feel like a gunman through you play PUBG. Make up top boss tell you this. You know nobody. You didn't hear say. But me still want to know that. Who are we guarding what TeeJay really par with? You did me? Me not know. But guess what I want you to do, dog? If you still watch the video, more you like the video, dog. You see me, I say, like up the video. Remember, dog. If you see one ad, don't watch one ad. If you watch one of 4 of them, watch one of them. You see me? Support your boy. Run tune.
Cow 45, another one if you go kill a cow. Clap the rifle, brain fly and I no pick a low. Click that double road, them boy they had up his show.
Hey, why you put so much lyrics in that song, dog? And then you put it on music. Should I put it on lyrics? You see, if you clash, this is my point of view, dog. I'm not clashing my clash. This is not a clash. If I clash, I'm going to do an old video and thing, you know me? But I say, you see, if you clash somebody, to my point, I'd rather want to like make a lyric video, dog, for the clash song, dog. You understand me? I don't know, say, when the clash I go and the clash nice, like Jamaican and Canicla clash a while ago. They up day to day. If people them could have seen the lyrics them more, dog, I don't know. Some people are quick forget the lyrics when I'm saying and song, you know. Because not just some shit in the dog, not just some real shit in the dog. But for one, so cover relatively good, or say, yo, the art is clear. People are going to say, for you, I thought I'm not hear the lyrics. On my point of view, run through.
They gonna the killer we fire that. Some man turn bad man, no true them go buy a strap. Show too much man, I dead them ends ready fire at.
I mean some man turn bad man, no true them go buy a strap. Of course you're a bad man. Once me have a strap, me a bad man. This me go shoot you. I mean some man turn bad man, true them go buy a strap. Of course, TeeJay. Where you buy one strap for? If you walk with it and look pretty, you're a bad man once you have a strap. And me say that. You do me I say. Come on, man, I run tune, man.
I try bolt, tell them to try a lock. When he running board a jump so, that he now come to 357 Magnum na Congo. Give him.
Yeah, but I'm going to sing. But if you want to subscribe, I'm going to the right side of the video. And then me I say more put the enjoy the reaction and thing. You see me? I think nothing else go on night. Me and I say night in. Can you love chat night in I song them, you know?
The beat so like a girl gonna spit. Like them never go a school, go do no biology. When them shot a touch or it a measure up. Road but them a buy no crutches, come and I go shoot them, not them head, that's my define them a bitch.
Alright, rubbish, big up yourself. Big up for yourself, thanks for checking out my video. Like up the video, people. Let me see if we can get 1 million likes on that video. The more like on the video, the more YouTube recommend it to other people for watching. Did me I say, I'm going to reach 10,000 subscribers, so do the right thing. I'm out.